welcome back. What a back end to the year it's been. It's currently the 17th of September. We're heading up to Jackie's ploughing match that she puts on every year for us, all in aid for charity, usually the air ambulance. Sorry you've not seen so many videos recently, but we've been absolutely crazy busy. But I have been recording all the way through, so we've got all those videos to watch. I thought we'd start off, you know, where we are now. Farmer's given us a day off. I should have a set of discs up here. This is Colin's straw stack. Yes, good. Farmer come and check them for me because I haven't had any time to check them over. So Farmer just made sure the tyres are still up, which apparently they are. It's an old cultivator the old man used to use. Hoping my pin fits because I've only got one. But I'm sure we'll do something here. Anyway, going to get hooked up. We're going to get down to the ploughing match. It should be a better turnout than last year. Conditions are a little bit better this year. We have had a dry spell over the last week. Underneath it's still plenty pliable, if you know what I mean. So I'm hoping for a good turnout. I'm sure Jackie is as well. Jackie always puts this on for us every year on her farm. She's been doing it a long time. I don't know how many years, but a long time she's been doing it. All the proceeds go to the Oxford Air Ambulance. We're going to get these discs hooked up. We'll get over there, we'll do a little montage. Hopefully there's a good crowd. It was so hard last year, a lot of people didn't show up, and some of the boys were damaging their equipment trying to do some, so it wasn't the best of years last year. I want to just try this. I'm going to put it in the field and see what it actually does. I've never used it before. It's been sat in the hedge. We dug it out in the winter and I was like, farmer wanted to scrap it, but you know, it's good for events like this, you know, something you can just drag across the top. We didn't have time to set a plough up. Alistair, I know he would have lent us his plough, but we've been mad trying to get round the fields cultivating. We're late on cultivations, so we're trying to get round whatever we can, but so there's not much time to set tractors up. I've not even cleaned this one this time. It's all dirty, but you know, it's been sat on the hay fan. Right, I'm going to get hooked up. We'll have a little try in the field, then we'll go around the ploughing match, see what's going on. I think she wants some adjustment. She's literally just scuffing the top line. I ain't got a spanner, so I'll go and check the boys. Someone will have a spanner, we'll get that adjusted so it does a bit better job. It wants to do a bit better job than that. The angles are set on their least aggressive. So good for scuffing the top, you know, getting like a short disc. Scruffing the top, getting things to chip. But we will pick her up. Right, we're going to go head over there and have a look. Someone will have a spanner. I didn't bring anything and I've never used this thing before, so I'm unprepared as per usual. My man set me up. Thank you.
You're going to have to stick some weight on it to make it nice and heavy and juicy.
That makes them work better.
Yeah, make it grip better.
Yeah.
Now bite in and penetration.
They're definitely better. He's kindly just helped me adjust them, which wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. So anyway, we'll let the boys do some ploughing. We're hoping to go on top with them and just level things out a little bit, and we'll do that later on. People are just starting to arrive. We'll go and get a cup of tea, go and say hello to everyone, go see Jackie, and hopefully it's a good turnout. There is rain set for this afternoon, so 4 o'clock, but by then we should be getting on. Morning.
Morning.
Oh yeah, all right.
Yeah.
Good.
Gina will put you right, she'll take your money. Oh, they both will, they'll both rob you.
Oh, okay. How you doing? All right? Yeah, I'm good, thank you. Oh, I've got a camera. I like to film all the tractors going up and down.
What's the name?
Matt.
Matt?
Yeah, I'm not ploughing. I've just got a cultivator.
You're playing?
Yes, please.
Playing, not ploughing.
Should be a bit better this year, shouldn't
I
it?
think he's doing 120, isn't he?
Yeah.
£10 please.
Thank you.
And raffle tickets.
Yeah, I'll have some of those. All right, Jackie. All right, Joe. Oh my God, look at these cakes.
You ain't got that damn camera.
No, definitely not. Yeah, I'll put some sugar in. Yeah, thank you. How much do I?
It played well when he'd done the furrows for them.
Lovely, thank you very much.
Sure, Stephen.
You alright, Steve? What do you mean?
Beat your teeth down here.
Oh, Steve.
How'd you do that?
Bloody getting that plough out the shed.
You're a nightmare.
What's he been at?
Falling over his
Aiming
arms
for time
flat.
off work, that's all he's been doing.
Sick pay.
Yeah, yeah, that's it, sick pay.
Oh, you're going to get paid for that?
Can't speak to your boss, then, won't you?
Pissed up, mate, coming out the crown.
Yeah, yeah, that's it. All the excuses. That is wicked, isn't it, Dave? You've just restored that, apparently. Blow it in.
Yeah, we'll nip it. Tap it up.
You are.
What are you doing?
Okay.
No, it's just a Ferguson plough, this is. Yeah, on 10 inch Ferguson plough, yeah.
And how old's your tractor?
She's a 52, this one is. This is Grant's. That's mine now, he's got mine swapped over today. Yeah, this is 53, I think this one, that one's 54.
You'll have to put as much weight as you want with this one.
Yeah, especially in our conditions like now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that hard? Would you say it's hard conditions?
We did with some rain on it. We had a half-inch of rain, it played a lot better, but it's the way it is, isn't it?
Last year.
Oh, Christ. Yeah, that was hard last year.
sunning it up, haven't you? Right?
Yeah.
Christ,
Oh yeah, mighty camera.
you alright?
Yeah, not too bad.
And that's about it.
All tanned up, ain't you? You've been sunning it up.
Yeah.
Where'd you go?
Spain.
Oh yeah. going on there?
It's safety, isn't it? Filming. Oh, don't.
Just you. Good? Look at this. Bloody hell, this thing's huge.
Yeah.
Hold it on, Mr. Kang. Hang on. PTO it. Oh, I see. Look at the gears, Henry. Wow.
Nice.
This is cool, eh?
That's park. That's park. Bring it over. That's first.
Yeah.
So you got range 1. That's
Yeah,
low in
okay.
range 1.
Yeah.
Bring it back. That's high in range 1.
Right.
Back there is reverse.
Right.
So you shuttle it. Come up. Hang on. Then you got range 2.
Right, yeah.
Bring it back. That's range 2.
Yeah.
Low in range 2.
Yeah.
High in range 2.
Oh my.
Reverse.
Right. Okay.
And then, ain't finished yet. Then you got more. You got another 2 gears. So you go like that.
Yeah.
Then you got 6 and 8.
Bloody hell.
But you haven't got a reverse.
In the high gears.
There is in the gearbox.
Yeah.
But they blanked it off
Right.
because they blanked it off here because it's too fast.
And this looks like you've been restoring it. Is that right?
Yeah, my dad restored it. Yeah.
How long has it took you?
Dad's when it's April time.
Oh right. So
Finished it about a fortnight ago.
oh, nice one. It looks
Yeah.
fantastic.
Yeah. So just trying to work the gears out
Yeah.
wasn't easy.
No.
So it's got 130 horse.
130 horsepower.
Yeah.
Wow.
Turbocharged.
It looks really nice.
It's John Deere's first turbocharged engine.
Turbo engine.
Yeah,
Okay.
first
Yeah.
turboed. But then they changed it to a 4620, and then they went over to the 30 series.
Yeah.
And they got the rounded cabs.
Yeah.
But we've got another one which has got in the barn. We've got a 4230.
And is that one you're doing up as well? Is it?
Yeah. That's
Oh,
got a
nice
rounded
one.
cab on it, and it's got front wheel assist on it, so it's hydraulic
Yeah.
four-wheel drive.
Yes, I know.
So that's about 100 horsepower.
Right. This thing's amazing, isn't it?
It goes alright.
Yeah.
Just got to get the right plough for it.
Yeah. Okay.
We want to
as
get.
in it's not wide enough. Or-
Yeah, and it's not big enough really. It wants to be a trailer plough.
Is it intuitive when you're moving it along? Is it like
It's not a
I
sync.
get it.
You can get it, and then but you won't want to start off in first, and then go like that. I start off in. She'll pull away if you put her in 6,
Yeah. Okay.
or you can put her in the second range,
Yeah.
and then bring her up and pull her down. And
Yeah.
but it's got a real odd gearbox on it.
Yeah.
But then but you can get it either with a power shift, so you either had that gearbox or a power shift gearbox.
And those are the ones that just are they
Yeah, I think it was 8-speed power
Yeah,
shift,
that's it.
and then they went over to 16-speed
Nice.
power shift in the newer John Deere's, or 18
Lovely,
speed.
isn't it?
Yeah, it goes alright.
at this dog, look.
I said I can give a shit. You move whenever you like. Doesn't bother me.
Got them all, didn't she?
Next week, bother me.
Just
Those ones
Bubbles!
are
Bubbles!
they're being moved off 2 days time.
Right,
Good to see you.
Yes.
We'll see you soon.
Nice one. See you later, Jake. See you later.
Yeah, good catch up with them.
See you later.
See ya.
I just ran him over the road there. He said to me, Stacey.
See the bubble catcher? She's very good at chasing bubbles. Just think how good she would be at sheeping.
Should be good at sheeping, yeah.
Is she any good at riding?
No.
Never takes to know.
I don't know, actually.
Never tried it with Ryan.
No. I don't know.
Yeah.
Sharp on the bubble. They don't bite back.
A rabbit or a hare last summer, and she got it pinned to the ground, and she didn't want to do it.
He's lost,
Yeah,
isn't
like
he?
literally.
They're still back. It's because Charlie's not here. Charlie's not here. Don't keep you happy. There's she.
The dogs don't have to like back.
Oh.
Otherwise they're
Oh,
just
she
swinging
missed him.
around.
Oh.
I'll make her have a
Uh-oh. Jess.
No, go on. It's going to be the table.
clean out the table.
Go on, Ames, keep sending the dog off. Because it'll be Matt's fault when there's a problem.
Yeah, great, thanks.
Get it on camera,
Jackie will not be happy. Oh no.
I'd never watched Matt's videos on YouTube until the other day. We were watching them the other night.
Ah, you see, now you're hooked.
We were watching them the other night and
You're hooked now. That's it.
I even found a video of me. I couldn't believe it.
Yeah, you're on there.
I was well excited.
Second, Andrew Butler. And first, you sort the diesel. I'll let you. Third, Tom Honor. Daniel got a third.
Well done, Tom. Tom's gonna get it first.
Second, Eric Kirby. Well done, Eric. And first, Dave Hughes.
Really?
Classic name there. Third is me. And first is Jason Day.
Hey. What?
The best novice is Luke Henry. Luke.
I've got a trophy as well, look.
Best junior, Frankie Weston.
Hey, well, Frankie.
Best playman, Jason Day.
Cleaning up.
Swept the board. Best turn day, Dave Hughes.
started raining. They did say they did have it on the forecast. It was a half decent turnout. We got a little bit of drone footage before the rain, so hope you like that one. Might just go and sit on this cultivator with Dave for a second before we end the day. You know, if it stays dry, you know, most people will stay and they'll finish the afternoon off and just plough the field up, and yeah, everyone gets involved. But it's raining. I think it's set for heavy rain and thunderstorms this afternoon, so the guys will stick around for as long as they tolerate it, and that'll be the end there. But coming up next will be all of the going into harvest videos. I think we were just messing about with hay was the last video. We were trying to make hay on some dicky weather, so we're going to go back to there and then we'll go into harvest, and it will be Christmas time before we're caught up, but I hope you guys don't mind that. No, David, you know YouTube doesn't like that.
Oh dear.
Right, come on then, show us what she does. I was hoping to spend the afternoon doing this, but looks like we're going to get... Is he doing a nice job?
Well, it's alright, but you can't really tell where you've been now because it's not wet.
The back one's closing down one, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's actually come out of its hole today. It's gone back to its widest setting, can you see?
Yeah.
Right, here we go. We're going to leave it there. This hasn't been too bad a day, has it? You know, we got away with it, got the morning done before it rained, so got to be thankful for that, haven't we?
Yeah.
I'll tell you how much they raised in the edit there, all for Oxford Air Ambulance, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's where we're going to leave it. Anyway, harvest videos coming up soon, so make sure you check those out, and we'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.
Yes.
Say goodbye, David.